Okay, I'm using QYS streamlined 9.56 grains through the Brocock Concept. That's too high, that is. Okay, so just for that, reload. That's for the next rifle I take down to the range. I've not had these pellets for it before. I'm not sure if I've had the terminators for it. Okay, so let's put some terminators through it then. These are a lighter pellet, but they may be the same point of impact, we just don't know until we've tried it. 6-shot rotary magazines on the old Brococks. So get laser off this time. Let's see where that's gone. Remove his helmet, so just send it down a bit. Okay. See how they group then. That's my bloody magazine's completely fell out. Ah, jeez. Ended up firing a few shots more than I expected, but last one. is the test complete.
Hello folks, down at the range, a bit cold, weather's perfect though. What I'm going to do now is do the second half of the video. Probably don't realise we're now almost 4 weeks later to the beginning of the video you've seen up to now. I got the flu, I was really bad with it. Still got a bad cough now. I did a test for the COVID and it came back negative, but whether that was a false reading I don't know, because I've got all the symptoms. It's just lasted ages. But back now, got the Brocock in front of me with the QYS, the H&M Barracuda match. I've got Armex Airstream and Terminators, which are going to put through the Brocock, and then I'm going to put through the Reximex regime to compare the two. I'll be shooting initially at 25 yards and I'll be doing 35 and 45 yards. So we'll see how they do. So let's get on with the test. Okay then, starting off with the QYS Streamline, and these weigh 9.56 grains. I'm going to go for the zero target in the middle first, just to see if we're on or off. Let's check for any adjustment. So it's a little low. Windage seems okay. Okay, that's shot then. Okay, I'm going to go for it, and the first target is top left, sure pellets in. top left target. Okay, so all the red circles are 5 piece in size, so they're all inside a 5p at 25, which you'd expect. So coming up next, we'll see how the Reximex regime holds out. Okay. Trying to take the human element out of this if I can. What the rifle's capable of. So same again, I'll start off by going back to the 0 yellow. Oh, Jesus, what the hell? It's what's happened, I think, here is the O-ring's blown in the breech seal O-ring. It's coming out the back. Yeah. Right, so it's all down to the Brocock until I can fix the breech seal on that. So shame, but that's the way it goes. So moving on, we're going right back to the Brocock, and we'll be going for top right on target. Now what I will do though, to start off with, I will go for the 0 again to make sure we're still on 0 with the heavier pellet. Yeah, so more or less on that. So top right on target, H&M Barracuda match, 10.65 grams. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so moving on. going with ear screams. Now, I know the Rexinax really likes these, but we can't really do that now, can we? To the 08. Now these are light, so it might go high. Yeah, it did. Weigh 8.5 grains, so 2 grains lighter. One more. Okay. Downside with these magazines, there's no lock-in component to it, so it can fall out, as you can just see. Okay, I'm going bottom left. You can see they're an accurate pellet, and a cheap pellet as well. About £8.50, £8.50 for 450 pieces from Sheffield's N&M products. And the more you buy, the cheaper they get. And the thing is with the light pellets, they can be accurate, but the further out they get, the more the wind will affect them, because the energy will drop off quicker. Okay, same target. Okay. Last but not least, H&N Terminator. As before, going tooth to the 0. Spot on. Yeah, it's going where I'm aiming. So I have a feeling these will be the best pellet again. Bottom right. The only downside to these are only 6-shot magazines. I have a feeling that somebody like Darko Delorco from Carver could probably make some bigger capacity ones, to be honest. Okay then, next up. Same at 35 yards. target set up at 35 yards. I'm going back to the QYS streamline. I think 9.56 grain. So just parallax in again. I'll bring it up because I have a feeling it's going to drop another 10 yards out. So first shot, then 0 target on the left. Yeah. Do one more. Okay. So I've just topped the rifle up, and that can sometimes make all the difference to the first few shots. So firing 12 or 514, giving it 4 at the 0 rather than 2. Yeah, one more click up. The wind is now blowing, so we might get a bit of lateral drift here. So top left. Yeah, it's definitely blowing it. I'm just going to hold onto the centre so we get a group. That's died off a bit, it's come over. So that is QYS streamlined. They look very similar to the match, but obviously lighter. So moving on to the Barracuda match. 35 yards. We go for the 0 again. Yep, okay. Top right. Okay. Next are the Max streamlined, lighter pellet again. So 0 target, probably go high like it did last time. Gone pretty high. Okay. 0 cap. Yeah. It's gone slightly to the left, it's blowing again. So bottom left, just going to aim for the centre, see where the wind takes it. Okay, so last but not least again, H&M Terminators. 0. Right. So bottom right. Okay, I did really well. Got 3 on the outside there, but all 7, all of the 7 miles went in the same way. So that's 2mm at 35. So the last part of the test now is 45 yards. Let's see how we do. Okay, the 45 yard target I just put alongside the 35 yard one and walked it out to 45, as you'll see. Following the same principles, we're going to be using the streamline that. Going for 0, so I might use this Mac just to 0 in because it's further out. 0 target on the right. Let's call up. Try one more. I say filling a rifle can make all the difference. First few shots. One more. Okay. Hold on, I think. Bloody hell. That one's blowing. Let's hope it don't affect it too much. So we're going to go for the target now. Top left. Top left. Couple gone high there. Don't know why that is. Can't imagine it being down to the weight. I suppose it could be, but so this is the last look at the target. Oh, bloody hell. Same again. Another flyer. Hit and miss there, really. Right. Going on to the back of the match then. See where they land. As the ground warms up, the wind's going to get stronger. That's quite high again. Very strange. And then go for the 0. Did that go? Not sure. see. If you went to the left, right, does that go on? That's going high, bloody hell. Yeah, it's going up in the left hand top box. That's very nice. There we go, see where we're on now. 0 gun. Down a bit. Too far. Okay, so we're going to go through it then. Like to the left, just going to hold it. Got caught it on that. And finish off with the terminators. Bottom right. Okay. Spread out a bit there, all right, to be honest. So that's it anyway, that's the Brocock Concept, the original version, from 25, 35 and 45 yards. So catch you in the next video.